we're going to be doing some math questions because we have a math test coming up. And let's start with a question. It says, with or without GDC, we'll try our best to not use GDC. And it's telling us y equals x e to the power of x. And it says, find the x coordinate on the point of inflection. Point of inflection, we know, is the second derivative. So fx, we know this. So let's just differentiate it once, which we're going to use the product rule. Sorry, I'm stuttering. I'm excited to do some math, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's use product rule. So we're going to know u equals x, the first differentiated equals 1, v equals ex, and v differentiated equals ex. In fact, if you want to know the reasoning to this, it's because it's going to be ex times derivative of this, so it's going to be times 1, sorry, plus, and it's going to be times the ln of the base, which is going to be e, which is also just 1. So that's why it's like that. So product rule, it's going to be times ex. I think that should be correct. So it's just going to be ex plus x ex. This is first derivative. Now let's go ahead and get the second one. How are we going to do that? Let's actually factorize. So to make this easier, in my opinion, it would be easier. So we're just going to have ex. Sorry, my x's are all over the place today. 1 plus x, yes. Okay, so this is u, this is v. So v is going to be 1 plus x. V differentiated is going to be 1, because this becomes 0 and this becomes 1. U equals ex, and u differentiated equals ex. So if we use product rule again, we're going to get 1 times ex, which is, as it was before, plus ex times 1 plus x. Yeah, that seems about right. So this is ex plus ex to x. So it's 2ex plus, my bad guys, I'm just very sleepy, e to the power of x ex. So this should be the second derivative. So now that we have the second derivative, we'll equate it to 0. But first, let's actually factorize. As we see, we have a common factor. So that would be e to the power of x 2 plus x. And we know that because x is within here, so ex equals 0. This is false. It's impossible, because it's in the power, and yeah, it just has to be greater than 0. E to the power of x always has to be greater than 0. So we know that's incorrect. And then we have 2 plus x equals 0. So x equals minus 2. And it just says find the x coordinate of the point of inflection. So that is going to be our final answer. Thank you.